Nilight H11 LED headlight bulbs, 350% brighter. 50W10000 LM headlamp bulbs, mini size, H9 high beam, H11 low beam, H11/H9/H8/H16 fog light, 6000K cool white, pack of 2.
Brand Nilight specific uses for product headlight item. Package quantity 1. Color white, voltage 12 volts, auto. Part position front. Operating life 5,000 hours. Manufacturer Nilight model E20.
Item weight 5, 6 ounces. Package dimensions 4, 72 into 4.37 into 3.23 inches. Country of origin, China. Item model number E20. Exterior brushed manufacturer. Part number N1A2H111XA2. Special features: no radio interference, mini design, super bright plug and play. Mirror lighting type automotive exterior headlight bulbs.
350% brighter than halogens. Equipped with high luminous efficacy CSP chips, 10,000 LM% and 6,000 K cool white H11 LED headlight bulb features a better performance.